It's tax season at the law office of Louis Haskell, and it's the coronavirus pandemic all over the world. As such, we are still here. We are still prepared to do your taxes and to help you in every way that we can. We also, however, for the health and safety of everyone involved, have changed our ways of doing things. As recently as this past Sunday, we had periods of time when there might have been 10 or so clients and their families in the office, along with what members of my staff were working on Sunday. Clearly, we can't be doing things like that anymore. The Center for Disease Control would have been very mad if they had walked in and saw what we were doing. And so we have simply changed our policy. Tax season is my favorite time of the year. It makes me tired, to be sure, because I have not had a day off since January. But I enjoy it. People come in, they sit down. It's like they visit us once a year. They're here for 15 minutes, 20 minutes to do their taxes. We talk, we catch up, we chit-chat, we make jokes, we go over their situation. And then they go home and we move on to the next one. And in fact, on a day like Sunday, when I've got people at in every office and every computer, I'm just kind of walking around room to room. It's a blast. It's, for me, it's a party. Party time is over. We are asking our clients to drop off their documents, or better still, to reach out to the office. You can call, you can email us at office@attorneyhaskell.com, and we will set up a secure portal for you. Through that secure portal, you can just send us whatever W-2 forms, 1099s. This time of year, we see a lot of businesses, so if you could kind of do your best to make a profit and loss statement, or for your landlords out there, same kind of an idea, rent and expense statement. Don't worry if it's not perfect, because I will talk to you about it, like I always do. But this idea of sitting down beside a member of my staff, I just can't have that anymore. At least not during the current crisis. And frankly, having a waiting room full of people is just something we can't have. So if you can send us your documents or drop off your documents, and we can prepare them, and then we can either review them remotely is one option. Again, we have that secure portal, or you can come in to briefly meet with me. That is a far better situation than, as I say, just having a room full of people and everybody sitting without social distance, as they're calling it. Also, the government has extended the tax payment system, tax payment deadline. I apologize. Like I said, I am tired. To July 15. The IRS has not formally extended the tax filing season. Wow. However, extensions are automatic. So anybody can come in before April 15, drop off their documents. We will request an extension for you, and then your taxes aren't due until October 15. In the meantime, the payment deadline is July 15, at least for now. If things get worse, I'm sure that'll be extended too. But you don't need to make the payment by April 15 anymore. The Department of Revenue has been a little bit coy about this, but their most recent posting seems to indicate that they are following the federal guidance. The state also has automatic extensions for filing, and they're indicating that they will give whatever relief the federal government gives, which for the moment I'm interpreting to mean they've extended the deadline. I am seeking clarity on that. That creates a number of situations. First of all, particularly for the businesses, because we always owe tax, right? There's no withholding coming out of our paychecks because we don't get one. More time to pay. And since I know that a lot of you out there are struggling right now, I know this because some of you have been in here to talk to me about it. hopefully that extension will get us over what was hopefully a small hump, and things will be better. There are other people besides businesses, though. One of the reasons that I wish that the state would be a lot clearer about this is, wait staff, bartenders, servers, those folks have all been thrown out of work this week. Most of these people owe state income tax because their half minimum wage paychecks aren't enough to cover all the withholding against their reported tips, and it's the state that always comes up short. And as a result, wouldn't it be nice if the governor, who just threw all these people out of work, would give them some time to pay that tax? So I'm confident that the state will do this, and so this creates a situation where, number one, we can create a situation where those tax payments are delayed. It's one thing for the government to say it, it's another thing for us to make our software do it. And the other is it allows people to wait until May or June or even July to come in and actually sit down and do their taxes. And hopefully by that time, we will be able to, not keep so much social distance and actually sit with you while we do these things. For the businesses, that's a big deal because I really do need to sit with you to prepare these tax returns. For servers, really, you guys could just drop off your documents and we can just prepare them and you can come in whenever, or do it through over the internet. But however you want to do it, this is now an option that's available. And frankly, I'm very happy that this option has become available because I think that it is in so many ways better. In any event, this is how we are dealing with this situation. We encourage all of you to work with us to get through this, but we will take care of you. We are here. And even though we can't be as friendly and have as much fun as we usually have during tax season, we look forward to taking care of you this year and well into the future. Thank you.